showing you how to make a contact sheet in Photoshop. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open Photoshop, go to File, Automate, Contact Sheet 2. Go ahead and click on that. And what you're going to do is you're going to select folder. All of your images should be in your photography folder in a subfolder. So I'm going to go ahead and click Choose, Photo 1. I'm going to select my sample images. All of my photos that I want in the contact sheet should be in that folder. Go ahead and click Open. Click OK. Go ahead and wait for your pictures to load into a contact sheet. Okay guys, once you've let your contact sheet load, you will notice that there might be multiple pages up top with all of your images. If you have too many images to fit on one page, it'll make multiple pages for you. So you just want to go ahead and go File, Save As. I would recommend saving it as a JPEG, okay? Make sure it's in the correct folder. So I'm going to change the name of it. And click Save. Please save it as a large file. I'm going to go to Contact Sheet 2, File, Save As. Go ahead, make it a JPEG. Save it. And go to the third one. Once again, File, Save As. Make it a JPEG and save. And that is how you make a contact sheet. Thank you.